Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to install Minecraft for free on any laptop or PC. To start, open your web browser and search for Minecraft. Click on the first result that says, "Welcome to Minecraft." This will take you to the official Minecraft website. Once the website loads, look to the left-hand side of the page and click on the tab that says Games. Then select Minecraft. On the Minecraft page, look for the option that says Try it for free. Click on that. You will now be taken to a page with download options. Scroll down and click on Download Now. Your download should begin. Once the file is downloaded, open it. This will launch the Minecraft installer. Follow the instructions to install the application on your device. Once installed, open the launcher and sign in using a Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, you can create one for free. After signing in, add the game to your Microsoft Store account. Then click Play Demo. The demo version of Minecraft will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, you will now be able to play Minecraft for free in demo mode. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.